So, you want to earn money online without creating your own product? That's exactly what affiliate marketing allows you to do. It's actually my favorite form of passive income because once you've put in the initial work, the commissions keep coming even while you sleep. So, affiliate marketing is a win-win-win situation. Win for the viewer, because they get the products that solve their problems. Win for the company, because they gain qualified leads. And win for you, because you earn commissions. Now, a quick note. Affiliate marketing only works if the products you recommend are actually valuable. So if you push shady products, you'll lose trust. So here, integrity is everything. So the problem is most beginners overcomplicate it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start affiliate marketing step by step with zero experience. Alright, so what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply recommending a product and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. So think of it as a digital referrer. And for example, if you recommend tools like Tella or Notion or CapCut or whatever tool, Adobe or anything that you're using, and if someone signs up using your link, you earn a percentage. So that's how affiliate marketing works. Why beginners fail? Most beginners fail because they join too many programs. They spam links everywhere without building trust, like putting links everywhere, even if it's not relevant. And then mostly they expect instant results instead of playing the long game. So quick story, when I started, I thought just dropping links everywhere would get sales, but nobody clicked. What actually worked was creating content that showed how I personally use the product. Since then, my affiliate sales skyrocketed. Yeah, that's simple. So here's how to start step by step. First is step 1, list products you already use and love. Start with products you're already using or buying. So things you genuinely enjoy and would naturally recommend to your family and friends. For example, books, digital books, apps, or even everyday items you can't live without. And then step 2 is join affiliate programs. So look for the company's website and then look for the affiliate programs, partner programs, and then sign up. Okay, so the most common is Amazon Associates. So it's great for tangible products. And for digital creators, explore tools like Notion, editing software, or SaaS platforms. So if you're in a niche like video editing or productivity, focus on tools that align with your expertise. And then step 3 is to create content around the product. So it's much easier if you've built a targeted niche audience because trust is already there. And if you're a content creator, recommending content creation tools makes sense. And for me, the most effective platform is YouTube. Unlike TikTok or Instagram, where content disappears quickly, YouTube acts as a library. Your videos keep generating traffic and sales for years. So here are the types of content you can make. The first one is tutorials, like how to use tools, comparison, reviews, storytelling. And then step 4 is to promote smartly. Don't just drop links random. Be intentional. Add affiliate links in YouTube descriptions, blog, and newsletter. And use clear CTAs like, if you want to try it, the link is in the description below. So build an email list so you're not dependent on social platform. And then write supporting blog articles to rank on search engine and drive long-term traffic. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't about quick wins. It's a long game. Build trust, create value, create valuable content, and your efforts will scale over time. So here's how to get your first sale. So focus on one product first. Don't overwhelm yourself. Share your real experience. Demo it, review it, or show your workflow. So here's an example CTA. I've been using this for a year. If you want to try to, check the link in the description. Your first sale usually comes from showing real value and not dropping random links. So if you've been wanting to start affiliate marketing, begin with just one product you already use. Don't chase 100 programs. Focus on building trust and creating valuable content. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly freelancing and content creation tips. Till the next one.